Okay guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a salad. We're gonna be making grilled chicken salad today. So I have my chicken breast here. I have them in vinegar. So I kind of slice them in half. Just with your knife, you just slice the chicken in half. See? See? Then we're gonna grill them. Okay? Okay, I have my, see, this is you can do it two ways. You can bake them, grill them in half and then cut them in stripes later, or you can do it like this. So I choose to get it done like this, and I can add them to the salad. Now I'm adding some, I have some butter here. And I'm gonna add my chicken. This is the seasoning that I'm using. So chicken rub, and I didn't add any salt or anything in here. Now I'm just gonna add my seasoning on top of it. Okay, now let's check this out. I'm gonna turn them over. See, this is what we're looking for, that golden color. So I'm gonna turn everything to the other side. Okay guys, in the meantime, my chicken is getting ready. This is what I have. I have some red onions here and some tomatoes, and I have some spinach. They are clean and washed, so my spinach is already ready. And I have some plain goat cheese. It's a crumble goat cheese. So in a plate, I'm gonna add my spinach. Of course, my hands are clean, so I just added my spinach in here. So now I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Okay, I just removed my chicken. They're ready. See it? See? So I'm gonna add my grilled chicken on top of here. It's an easy salad. So it's spinach, or if you want lettuce, you can put lettuce, but I'm using spinach today. Spinach, tomatoes, and red onions. I'm gonna add some my crumble goat cheese. See how easy this is? It looks so good. See? And I'm gonna add my homemade salad dressing. There's another video I'll show you how to make it. So this is it, guys. This is our grilled chicken salad with some goat cheese. See, easy peasy. See, it's looking good. And I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in it, and I'm ready to eat. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. It doesn't take a long time to cook, so y'all can cook for your people, your other significant others, anybody. So it's easy to make. No excuses. Alright, guys, easy. The chicken breast doesn't take a long time to cook. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to it. Alright, bye. Let me give you another look. You want to take another look? Take a look. See? Okay, guys, next time. Bye.